Today we're going to create a PowerPoint to present our natural disaster information. The first thing that we need to do is open up PowerPoint. So we're going to come up to the red and white icon with the P, says PowerPoint, double click to open. It should open right away, and then you can see your name in the top right hand corner. And then there are some themes of PowerPoints that you can select. We're going to start with blank for now, so we double click it to open. And it first opens up to a title page. This is where you would add your title and your name. I'm not going to add any color or pictures right now. I can go back to do that at the end. But next I need a new slide to start typing my information. So I come up to New Slide and click. And it'll show me the different types of slides that I can choose from. I can add another title slide, I can add a title and content, 2 different contents, a picture and a caption. For this one, I'm going to add title and content. So I click it, and it'll open up for me. I'm going to put my title. And then down here is where I'm going to write my bullet points. This is the information that I found on my organizer. Blizzards are caused by large accumulations of snow. I want to show you this word was underlined in red. That's because it's not spelled right. It's showing me that. If I spell a word wrong, like a hard word like accumulations, all I have to do is right-click it, and it'll give me some options of what it should be. So I find the one that is correct, click it, and it'll automatically change it for me. To go on to the next bullet, all I have to do is go up and hit enter, and it'll allow me to have the next bullet. I can keep going to add. Once I feel like I have enough information, I can go up and add a different slide. This one I can do 2 different boxes. Then, once I'm finished typing all my information, I can go back to add in colors. So if I go up here to Designs, this is my option to pick a different design or a theme for my slides. I can click through to see all the different ones. I do want to show you that once you pick one, it's going to go and apply to all of your slides. So that theme will be applied to all my slides. This is my title slide, and then my information slides have the same type of theme. It just depends on the colors of that theme. So that's one way to do it. I can also come to the slide and right-click. And then once I right-click, I want to click Format Background. And once I'm in the background, then I can add some different colors as well. I can do a pattern. I can do a picture, I can do a different kind of fill, I can make it a solid fill. There's different ways. If I ever make a mistake or want to change something, I just go back up here, and this is the undo button. I can go and undo anything that I've done and didn't want. If I accidentally click the undo button but I wanted that, I can just click redo and it'll fix what I undid. Alright, then if I want to add in a picture, I can just go back to the slide where I want the picture. If I click on this little icon with the computer, it'll bring me to any pictures I have saved on my computer. You probably don't have pictures saved, so if you click on this little icon, it will take you to pictures that you can search online. Right here where it says search, you're going to type in whatever you want a picture of. And then once you've typed, hit enter and it'll search for you. You see this little box says Creative Commons only. That means these pictures are okay to reuse and for you to add in your presentation. Once you find a picture you want, you just click it, hit insert. It'll take a little minute to download the picture, and then once it's downloaded, it'll insert it into your presentation. Let's see, and there it is. I can resize it by just dragging to make it a little bit bigger. And that is how I insert a picture. Finally, once I have my color, my background, my pictures, I can save my presentation. So to save, I just go to File, Save As. And then I want to make sure I'm saving on my drive. So if I don't see my drive, I can double click this PC and it'll automatically pop up where my drives are. If it doesn't pop up, I also will have this little box here with my drive. And then sometimes it'll give me a suggested title, or I can create my own name. So maybe I want to put my last name with the title of my natural disaster. And then I want to make sure again that I'm saving it in my drive, so it should be my login. And then I just click save, and it'll be saved there in my drive for the next time. To make sure it's saved, look up at the top and the title should be there to show you the document is now saved. Any questions, just raise your hand and someone will be around to help.